Yes. So how many of you have started feeling grateful, being grateful? So are you guys enjoy whatever we are doing in the group? Small activities, right? So how
Yes,
many
ma'am.
of you have seen that movie also, Secret movie? Are you guys done with the movie? It was very important to watch that movie. So now you know that that knowledge was hidden. That so that no people should know that yeah, if we start being grateful, so they people also can be can earn a lot of money. They people also can start creating magic in their life. So that's why this was hidden. So that is already there in the secret book as well and secret movie as well. You must have seen कि that this knowledge was hidden कि वो मतलब सब तक ना पहुंचे कि वो भी सब अमीर ना बन जाएं काइंड ऑफ और वो भी सब हैप्पी ना हो जाएं वो सब भी अबंडेंट ना हो जाएं राइट सो इट वाज हिडन सो हैव यू स्टार्टेड बीइंग ग्रेटफुल because see so what we are doing right now we are developing the new habit and it will take time it will not happen automatically because whenever there is new thing so it takes time so this is also the skill grateful hona bhi like it's a skill so slowly gradually dheere 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 if we do more we will get more. Okay, so we will do this. See, there is small activity. So take your hands like this. Take your hands like this, everyone. And you have to clap. You have to do like this. Clap. Clap everyone like this. Clap everyone like this.
Every
Yes, very good. Very nice. So now write in the chat your which thumb is at the top. Give me in the chat your which thumb is at the top. Left or right? Left or right? I want to see. Left, if it is left, write L or if it's right, so please give me R. Okay, right, right. And what about others? Right, right. Okay, so your right thumb is at the top, right? So your right thumb is at the top. So I want you to keep your left thumb at the top now. So how you have to do like this? Earlier it was like this. Now you have to do like this. Earlier your right thumb was at the top. Okay, so if I do like this, so my right thumb is at the top. But now you have to change like this. So now your left thumb should be at the top. Is it easy for you? No, but with practice, it will be easy, right? Isn't it? So what I'm trying to say is whenever we have to learn anything, initially, you will have to put some effort. It will take time, but slowly, gradually. So if now you have to do it 10 times. Okay, do it 10 times. 10 times. Up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Speed, increase the speed, increase the speed, increase the speed. Fast, 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 faster, 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 fast, 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 fast. Very nice, very nice. Well done, good job. So now release, release. Now I want your left thumb should be at the top. Now every time whenever I'm doing, so my left thumb is at the top. What happened? What happened? Is it easy for you? Is it easy? Yes, easy. What happened? What happened? So what I'm trying to say is with practice, see now left thumb, every time left thumb is at the top. Left thumb is at the top. What happened? Practice. I practiced it 10 to 20 times. Fast, 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 faster, faster, faster. Did it become easy for you? Easy? So what I'm trying to say, with practice, everything will become easy. It's just a matter of time. So the more you practice, the more you become expert. Whatever is the skill, whatever you want to learn, with practice you can excel in anything. जैसे अभी राइट टॉप पे था अभी लेफ्ट टॉप पे हो गया. Can you do it again? Can you do it one more time? Can you do it multiple times? Yes, we can. Now it's very easy for us. So this is a new skill. जैसे राइट थंब उस पे था लेफ्ट आ गया. Easy. So similarly, whatever you were taking for granted, so today onwards you don't have to take anything for granted. Okay, so be grateful for small things. Try to karo. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You know, today I had to go somewhere with my daughter. Okay, so we left our house at 8 a.m. in the morning. Okay, so something happened. So what I was doing when I was going, it took me 45 minutes to reach there at the place. We went at the, that is the Gurdwara, Bangla Sahib Gurdwara.
In
Okay,
Delhi,
so
right.
in Delhi, so we had to go there. तो वो क्या हुआ रास्ते में, like it is very habituated for me that whenever I go somewhere, whenever I'm on the road, whenever I see anything, so I always say thank you, thank you, thank you. I put the magic dust on each and every one. Whenever I see any poor person, so magic dust, many, God bless you, God bless you. So otherwise, what I will be doing, what you people will be doing is, let's say you go somewhere. Okay, so you go somewhere, you are on the way, it is going to take 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour, or you are traveling, you are going somewhere. So what do? Useless thoughts, negative
Mm.
thoughts. So can we change negative thoughts to positive thoughts? Otherwise,
Yes,
so we
ma'am.
will be doing something, na? Something we will be thinking, something we will be doing, and you will be like surprised to see that all your thoughts will be negative. Most of your thoughts will be negative. So, what you have to do now? So, change your negative thoughts into positive things. Something positive. God bless you. God bless them. और जिन्होंने रोड्स बनाया, सी डिड आई मेक द रोड? रोड मैंने बनाया क्या? देर आर मल्टीपल पीपल्स हु वर इन्वॉल्व इन मेकिंग दैट रोड फॉर मी, so that I can travel easily. There are so many trees at the corners of the roads, left side, right side. I grew the trees. No, I didn't grow the trees. Who grew? There were many people involved in that. For me. So I always think for me, पूनम तेरे लिए इतने सारे पेड़ लगाए. Thank you जिसने भी लगाए. So start practicing, start thinking in a broader way. So many people, ये घर घर मैंने बनाया क्या? एक एक इसके वॉल देख लो, कितनी ईंटें आई होंगी, वो सीमेंट आया होगा, कितने मतलब लोग लगे होंगे, कितने प्लम्बर आए होंगे, कितनी वो जमीन में वो पिट होल्स बनाए होंगे, कितनी खुदाई हुई होगी, उसका फाउंडेशन रेडी किया होगा, कितने इलेक्ट्रिशियन लगे होंगे. कैन यू गाइज इमेजिन? एवरीथिंग स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ वेरी, एक जो बड़ा सा ट्री है, दैट ऑल्सो स्टार्ट्स विद अ टाइनी सीड. अ बिल्डिंग स्टार्ट्स विद अ लंप ऑन द ग्राउंड. It takes months, it takes years. So many people are involved. Can you imagine? मतलब कितने हजारों, सौ हजारों लोग लगते हैं किसी चीज को बनाने के लिए, कितने इंजीनियर्स लगे होंगे. सो कैन वी थैंक देम? व्हेन वी वर बॉर्न, तो पूरे जो गॉड ने ना हमारे लिए ऐसे हमारे हाथों में सजा के दिया, देखो हमारे लिए रोड्स बना के दी, हमारे लिए इतने पुल्स बना के लिए, हमारे लिए ट्रेन्स बना के दी, हमारे लिए प्लेन्स बना के लिए, सो दैट वी कैन ट्रेवल इजिली एंड एफर्टलेसली. कहीं भी हमने जाना हो, कहीं भी, बट वी डोंट थिंक इन दैट वे. वी पीपल आर सो अनग्रेटफुल.
True,
हम
ma'am.
सोचते हैं कि व्हाट इज बीइंग ग्रेटफुल, कि छोटा सा थैंक यू बोल दिया, वो भी कभी कभी, नॉट ऑन डेली बेसिस. दोस्ती में क्या थैंक यू, और हस्बैंड को भी क्या थैंक यू बोलना, बच्चों को भी क्या थैंक यू बोलना. नो, एवरी टाइम वेन एवर समबडी इज डूइंग समथिंग फॉर यू. यू नो वॉट हैपन टूडे? So when I was going, so that is my habit. So I always say thank you for each and everything, whatever I see. कोई गरीब आदमी देखा, so God bless you, God bless you. Magic dust on you, magic dust on you. भगवान करे आपको बहुत मिला, वाला जो भी whatever comes to my mind. So slowly, gradually, you will also learn all those things. So what happened? My daughter left that airport in the auto, जो रिक्शा वाला था उसके, उसमें वो रह गया उसका. So जो अमाउंट था, इट वॉज 151 रुपीज, एंड आई पेड 160 रुपीज, एंड आई सेड थैंक यू भैया, तो आपने अच्छे से हमें पहुंचा दिया. ओके. सो आफ्टर सम टाइम, आफ्टर 10 मिनट्स, माई डॉटर रियलाइज कि मम्मा वो ईयरफोन तो वहीं पे रह गया. नाउ बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव कैश, बिकॉज आई डोंट कैरी दैट कैश समटाइम्स ना, तो मैं पेटीएम किया उसको, पेटीएम किया. तो इफ आई वुड हैव गिवन द कैश, अगर मैंने उसको कैश दिया होता तो उसका नंबर मेरे पास नहीं होता. Right? So I
Hmm.
called that person and he was standing there only, and that person was waiting for us. That person was waiting for us for 10-15 minutes. Otherwise, he could have gone. वो जा सकता था वहां से, but he didn't go. उसको लग रहा था कि कभी भी मतलब वो याद आ जाए कुछ. And that was like, so I was like, yeah, wow, yeah, magic always works. And
What
that
you sow,
works.
so you reap.
Really, it works. And everywhere, wherever I was going today, वो जो चाय बनाई भैया ने, थैंक यू भैया चाय के लिए। फिर मेरी डॉटर को मैगी खाना था, मम्मा मेरे लिए मैगी लेकर आना, ओके मैं उसके लिए मैगी बनवा कर लेकर आई, तो फिर लाइक आई अगेन सेड थैंक यू फॉर स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स। आई डिडंट हैव दिस हैबिट अर्लियर। 2 years ago आई डिडंट हैव दिस हैबिट कि यार रिक्शा वाले को क्या थैंक यू बोला, पैसे दिए ना उसको उसको छोड़ने के लिए, तो उसके लिए क्यों थैंक यू बोलना होता है। I was like that. But when I learned all these things, so then I started being more and more. The more you will be grateful, the more you will see the magic. But it depends on person to person. It depends on person to person. जितना आप grateful आप दिल से होगे, because it it's all like about the feeling. It's all about the feeling. It's not about the thinking. It's all about feeling. The more you will feel, the more you will see the magic. वो थिंकिंग के लेवल पे नहीं होगा, उसको फीलिंग के लेवल तक लाना पड़ेगा। Okay, so if I say you have to write 20 gratitudes, so you don't have to go to chat gpt, okay chat gpt जरा वो 20 gratitude देना, I have to paste because ma'am has given me the homework. No, it will not work, it is not going to work. So you will have to write by your own, in your own handwriting. Why I am saying that you have to write, you have to write, you have to write, you have to write. If you will write by your own, you will feel. Initially you will not feel, but slowly gradually the more you will do, when I started practicing all those things, and you will be surprised to see. एंड जैसे मुझे ग्रेटिट्यूड लिखना था 10 से 15 लोगों को, आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि आई विल बी राइटिंग द ग्रेटिट्यूड फॉर 10 to 15 people. And I was amazed to see that I was able to write hundreds and thousands of gratitude. इतने लोग दिमाग में आ रहे थे कि यार वो मेड है, फिर वो एक दिन मेड के बच्चे ने भी कि वो कुछ किया था, वो एक दिन मुझे उसने वो कुछ वो ग्रोसरी ला के दिया था, फिर वो उसने मुझे, मैंने गार्ड से भी एक दिन मैंने एक्स्ट्रा काम लिया था ये वाला। तो मतलब सो मेनी पीपल केम टू माई माइंड दैट आई नेवर एवर थॉट, कि मैंने कभी सोचा ही नहीं। मुझे लग रहा था मैं 10-15 लोगों को ही लिखूंगी। when you sit with pen and paper, and you will be amazed कहां कहां तक आप, कितनी डेप्थ तक आप पहुंच जाओगे। यू विल बी एबल टू राइट हंड्रेड एंड थाउजेंड ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड, वो भी कम पड़ जाएंगे, आप कहोगे अरे वो तो रह गया, वो तो रह गया, वो भी तो था, वो भी तो था। पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, एक एक टीचर का, ज्योग्राफी वाली टीचर का अलग से, हिस्ट्री वाली टीचर का अलग से, मैथ्स वाली टीचर का अलग से। ओके, सो मेनी पीपल वर देयर, पेरेंट्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, फिर उनके पेरेंट्स, मतलब सो मेनी पीपल आर देयर जिनसे हमने कुछ 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 सीखा है। आई नेवर थॉट ऑफ बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई मेड। यार मेड के लिए कोई कैसे ग्रेटफुल हो, यार कितना काम करती है यार। मैं एक दिन वो नहीं आए तो ऐसे कुछ कराने लगते हैं कि यार कितना काम करना पड़ेगा। बट वी पीपल आर सो अनग्रेटफुल। सो स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल, बिकॉज दैट इज द की, दैट इज द की। अदरवाइज नॉलेज यू विल सी एवरीवेयर, यूट्यूब, फेसबुक, सोशल मीडिया, बहुत नॉलेज भरी पड़ी है। नॉलेज इज जस्ट द इंफॉर्मेशन, implementation creates transformation. So what is the formula for manifestation? Okay, write down the formula for manifestation. The formula for manifestation, there are people, they ask, ma'am, how can I manifest this and that and that? So the first thing is intention. First thing is intention plus attention. ये नहीं कि आपका इंटेंशन तो हो गया, अटेंशन है ही नहीं, अटेंशन दिया ही नहीं उस तरफ, सिर्फ इंटेंशन है। ओके, यू हैव डिजायर बट यू डोंट हैव अटेंशन।
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
यस श्रेष्ठा।
जैसे आपने जब ग्रेटफुल होना स्टार्ट किया होगा, तो
हम्म।
जैसे मान लीजिए हम यहाँ पे गाजियाबाद में रहते हैं। जनरली अगर हम लखनऊ कानपुर में मेड से काम करवाएं तो हमें वो 2,000 रुपये में काम करके दे देंगी, बट हम
हम्म।
इन्हें 4,000 रुपये देते हैं तब काम होता है। और
हम्म।
जब भी हम कुछ भी काम कराते हैं हम पैसे दे रहे हैं, और जैसे आपने 51 का आया तो आपने 60 कर दिए, तो हम
हम्म।
एक्स्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा पैसे देते हैं। तो ग्रेटफुल होने से पहले जो आपकी जीवन शैली होगी उसमें तो ये
हम्म।
विचार उत्पन्न हुआ होगा कि पैसे दे तो रहे हैं, अगर हम
हम्म।
पैसे नहीं देंगे ये तो एक तिनका भी इधर से उधर नहीं काम करेगा।
हाँ
तो
बिल्कुल,
वो
आई वॉज
विचार कैसे
लाइक,
किया,
तो आई
कैसे
टोल्ड यू
हैंडल
ना, आई
किया
वॉज
आपने?
अनग्रेटफुल, आई वॉज नॉट ग्रेटफुल।
हाँ।
मुझे था कि पैसे दिए ना, अब जैसे सब्जी
हाँ।
वाले से सब्जी ली, ओके,
हाँ।
20 रुपीज के टमाटर लिए, ओके, 1 पाव टमाटर लिए 20 रुपीज के, तो वाई वी हैव टू से थैंक यू? उसको, उससे टमाटर लिए, उसको पैसे दे दिए, वाई थैंक यू? But then I started, when I started being grateful, then I started saying, thank you for each and every small, small thing, for every minuscule thing.
जैसे मैम थैंक यू तो मैं भी कहती हूँ, बट जब कल
हम्म।
परसों से मैं इस चीज पे बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान दे रही थी, और जब कुलविंदर मैम और आपने भी एक चीज बताई थी कि वो अंबानी जी के यहाँ परमानेंट 24 घंटे वो ग्रेटफुलनेस चलती रहती है, वो मेरे
हम्म।
माइंड में थी। बट कहीं ना कहीं ये भी आ रहा था यार, थैंक यू सबको बोलते रहते हैं, जो कोई मांगता है कभी मना नहीं करते हैं, चाहे वो कितना ही फेवरेट क्यों ना हो, ये मेरा नेचर है मैम। मैं कभी मना
हम्म।
नहीं करती जिससे सामने वाला खुश रहे। बट
हम्म।
फिर भी मेरे माइंड में आता है, मैं पैसे दे तो रही हूँ, खुश तो कर रही हूँ, थैंक यू कह के, धन्यवाद कह के, और कोई सेवा कह के, मैं
हम्म।
कैसे सोच लूं मैं बड़ी खुशकिस्मत हूँ, उसने मेरा आके ये काम किया वो किया? क्योंकि मैम जब पैसे नहीं होते हैं तो कोई काम कहाँ करता है, मुंह पे मना
हम्म।
करके चले जाते हैं सब। या थोड़े भी
हम्म।
कम पैसे होते हैं, वो ग्रेटफुलनेस अंदर से शायद शैतान कहता है कि अरे पैसे तो दिए ही हैं, अच्छा तो बोल ही दिया है, बस काफी है। पता नहीं कहाँ से
Yeah, so
आती है
that's
वो।
why I'm saying that you have to do it intentionally. Intentionally, you will have to start deliberately, कि आपको 24 घंटे वो दिमाग में रखना है, that I have to. Then after some time, it will be automatic. It will be on autopilot, कि वो चलता
हम्म।
ही रहेगा. First,
Ma'am,
you will have to
हाँ।
put some efforts.
ma'am, I would like to
हाँ।
add something. Shrestha says that whenever what happens, Shrestha, we have money, but many times what happen at our place, we didn't get any maid or any plumber or any electrician. Even we have need to pay them, right? Whatever they demand for. So I am thinking about that whenever we get any plumber or electrician, so we are like, very blessed, feeling blessed, and we used to thankful to them. What happened in this summer, we didn't on our cooler whenever summer starts, so we didn't get any electrician for that. So, what we got that, my husband's friend came here. He used to do mechanical work, right? He is a mechanic. So he do that work, at our home when I was in my mother's place, and I have small daughter, right? So we have to on that in this summer, in every summer temperature has gone very highest. Right, so we have to start, but we didn't get even time. My husband didn't get time to start, and we have to check that cooler and that. So I was thinking, oh my god, we didn't get any electrician, and we he also doesn't have time to start, and we have to start those things. So I was feeling very grateful, oh my god, that his friend came here, and he helped to him that start all those things. So we are feeling so blessed. So
So how
according
did
to
he
that,
come?
when
How did he come? Because I told you na yesterday as well. He will move the whole universe for you if you are grateful.
yes.
वो कहाँ से आएगा? You will never know. You will never know, and you will be like, wow, I'm so lucky. He's so lucky. She is so lucky.
And even I was thinking that
It's not luck.
after
It's the result
after
of your gratefulness.
yes, and after 1 week, his sister's wedding was there, right? But still, he was coming here and helping us because he wanted to, we have that cool part, and we have that cooler to start because we have our small daughter. So I was thinking, oh my God, my mister have to go to his home and help to him that in his sister wedding. But he had to come here and help us. So I was thinking that, oh my God, just like people are also in this world that they have to give importance to others, importance and their valuable things as well. So
Yes.
yes,
और एक
that
और
is the
sentence I would
magic.
like to add here कि people are good. People
Yes.
are good. Everybody is good in this world. Otherwise, what comes to our mind? Because we are negative people, so we think like others are also negative. This world is like this. People are like that. Because we have heard all these things from our childhood. That is our conditioning. So that's why the most of the thoughts
Yes.
are negative only. कुछ भी होगा तो पहले दिमाग में नेगेटिव आएगा. बेटा नहीं आया थोड़ी देर के लिए दिमाग में नेगेटिव आएगा. Why does negative come? Because of conditioning, because of people's opinion, because of beliefs, limiting beliefs. You know, there are two types of beliefs: limiting beliefs and empowering beliefs. Okay, so although this is not the session that we will be discussing any other days, it's already 9:30, so I think we should start the session. So today we have to read 14 pages because tomorrow I have to start day one. Day one. So officially tomorrow is going to be day one. Chapter number 1 that will be starting tomorrow, and before that we have to complete 14 pages. Okay, so how many of you have read the pages that I suggested yesterday that you have to read till that? Till my
So,
discovery. Have you guys
chapter
read up to my discovery? Up to my discovery? Okay, otherwise
हमारे
we will
टाइम नहीं
start
मिला.
from my discovery. Okay, so
मैम आप
today I'll
मंत्रा
be
बता रहे
reading.
थे, अभी मंत्रा बता रहे थे कुछ
हाँ,
इंटेंशन करके
manifestation.
Yeah,
कुछ.
yeah, yeah. So that I
हाँ हाँ.
forgot. Yeah, intention that we will complete first. So that you can start manifesting whatever you want to manifest. Intention plus attention plus alignment. Alignment plus action equal to manifestation.
Alignment plus
Okay?
action.
Plus action. Alignment first, action later. Because if you are not aligned, जब आप अपने उसमें हो ही नहीं, अपने senses में हो ही नहीं, if you are not aligned, your body, mind and soul, you are not aligned, how you will take action? So alignment first, action later. You know, whenever there is something on and off, I'm talking about myself. कभी थोड़ा सा भी कभी कभी आ गया गुस्सा, यार आई एम ऑल्सो द ह्यूमन बीइंग, कभी आ ही जाता है किसी बात पे. So I don't do anything. At that particular time, I don't do anything. So I always remind myself, Poonam, alignment first, action later. You know, एक बार हस्बैंड के साथ हो गया कुछ किटपिट, अभी लास्ट मंथ की बात मैं बता रही हूँ. So I didn't feel like making the chapati and all, like in the kitchen. Okay, so when he went, so I was like, ऐसे वैसे वैसे. Poonam, sit with pen and paper. मैंने कहा मैं ऐसे खाना नहीं खाने वाली. Alignment first, action later. पहले मैं अपना अच्छे से अपना वो माइंड अपना अच्छे से I will sit with pen and paper. So why it is happening? What about you need to learn here? What is this situation trying to teach you? Because the work is on me. The work is on me. Earlier I used to think, नहीं आपको काम करना है अपने ऊपर. हमेशा आपने टूल किट निकाली, आई हैव टू फिक्स हस्बैंड, आई हैव टू फिक्स हिम, आई हैव टू फिक्स हर. नो, द वर्क इज ऑन मी. ऑलवेज से
मैम अलाइनमेंट
alignment
मतलब
first,
कॉपी में
action
लिख लो
later.
उसको, मतलब पहले लिख लो जो माइंड में चल रहा है, वही है अलाइनमेंट.
Yeah,
Yes,
alignment,
ma'am.
that means you have to be relaxed. Otherwise you won't be able to take action ना. Otherwise क्या होगा? आप गलत एक्शन लोगे, एक्शन भी गलत होगा. If you are not allowed, if you are not in your senses, that is alignment. If you are not in
Fear
your senses,
inside.
that is you are misaligned. You are misaligned. This is misaligned. This is
Ma'am,
misaligned. So let's
means
say your husband is.
what we are doing, feel it from the intensity of your own soul, isn't it? Alignment.
Alignment is
Alignment
when you are
means,
cool,
ma'am,
you are at
we
peace,
have to set
you are
boundaries
completely calm.
Hmm.
It's not you are feeling something else,
about
you are doing
ourselves.
something else.
The same I'm saying, no? The
Yeah,
feeling same, what we are
yeah,
doing,
feeling
feeling
same. Yes, exactly.
same.
Okay, so now you guys mute yourself so that we can start. Okay, so that is a manifestation, or you can say transformation as well. So first intention, then attention. ये नहीं कि आपका attention ही नहीं है. Then alignment, then action. It will create transformation or manifestation. Okay, so let me share my screen. Yes. So I told you yesterday the whole idea, what is Buddha saying, what is Muhammad saying. So it has nothing to do with politics and religion. This is for everybody. Okay? And everybody has to be grateful. So my discovery, whose discovery? Rhonda Byrne's discovery. So she is telling something about her own story. Okay, so how did she start her journey? So it's about her journey. So my story is a perfect example of what life is like when a person is ignorant of gratitude, and what happens when you make gratitude a part of your life. When you were ignorant of gratitude, What is gratitude? Gratitude in Hindi, you know, na, shukrana. And you must have heard so many, beautiful bhajans as well. शुक्राना के ऊपर, राइट? शुक्र दातया तेरा शुक्र दातया, राइट? गुरु जी के भी बहुत सारे मतलब भजन हैं. So if I had been asked 6 years ago if I was a grateful person, I would have answered yes, for sure. I'm a grateful person. I say thank you na when I receive a gift. When someone opens a door for me, I say na thank you. When a person does something for me, I say na thank you. So she's telling if somebody would have asked me 6 years back, so I was saying yeah, I'm very grateful. Whenever somebody does something for me, I always say thank you. The truth is, I was not a grateful person at all. I didn't know what being grateful really meant, and just saying the words thank you on the odd occasion certainly didn't make me a grateful person. Saying just words thank you doesn't make you grateful. And that is also occasionally, not every time. Okay. So my life without gratitude was pretty challenging. I was in debt and it was increasing a little bit more every month. I worked really hard, but my finances never improved. In trying to keep up with the mounting debt and obligations, I was living with a conscious undercurrent of stress. My relationship swung like a pendulum from fair to disastrous because I never seemed to have enough time for each person. So she's telling my life was completely disastrous. So I used to think that when I will be doing itna sara, then I will have itna sara. No, you don't have to do itna sara to have itna sara. No, you just have to work on your being. You just have to work on your being. It's not like doing, then having. No. You just need to work on your being. You just need to work on your identity, who you are with your own self when nobody on this planet Earth is watching. आप हो क्या? That only changes your life. So while I was what would be termed healthy, I felt exhausted at the end of each day. And I always got my fair share of colds and the latest illnesses going around each season. I had moments of happiness when I went out with friends or when I went on vacations. And but then the reality of having to work harder to pay for those pleasures would sweep over me. So what is she saying? So healthy means what? So she's saying I felt exhausted at the end of the way we also feel sometimes. Okay, so sometimes we feel very exhausted. Okay, so we don't feel like getting up in the morning, and in the morning also when we get up, so we don't feel like doing anything. We feel like नहीं यार अभी rest करते हैं थोड़ा सा हो. And after coming from vacation also, we went for vacation. Okay, we went for vacation to rest, and after coming back we feel like we have to rest. Does it happen? Does it happen? We went there to rest. हम वहां पे रेस्ट करने गए थे, बट वेन वी केम बैक वी फील लाइक रेस्टिंग, कि अभी तो हमें और रेस्ट करना है. करने रेस्ट गए थे, बट क्या करके आए फिर वेकेशन पे गए तो, एंड आफ्टर कमिंग बैक वी फील लाइक अभी रेस्ट करना है. बिकॉज ऑफ आवर हेल्थ, बिकॉज ऑफ आवर हेल्थ, her health was not very good. Every time whenever season changed, so she was catching the colds and some kind of illnesses, right? So she said I went on vacations, but the reality was she had to pay a lot and she had to work hard for making that money, for paying that money for the vacation. That was her life. Her life was disastrous. Okay. And for that pleasure, so she is saying for those pleasures, whenever I was spending time with my friends and I was on the vacation, for that I had to earn a lot ना, उसके लिए उसको earn भी तो करना था. And whenever she was going to work, she was going for work, and after coming back she was feeling like I need rest because she was not healthy. I wasn't living, I was surviving from day to day, from paycheck to paycheck, and I would no sooner solve one life problem than more problems would appear. एक problem सुलझती नहीं थी और आ जाती थी, right? But then something happened that would change everything in my life from that day forward. I discovered a secret about life, and as a result of my discovery, one of the things I began to do was practice gratitude each day. She started practicing gratitude. As a result of this, everything in my life changed. And the more I practiced gratitude, the more miraculous were the results. My life truly became magical. So, how did she start her journey? Okay. For the first time in my life, I became debt free. when she started practicing more and more, more and more, more and more. So for the first time in life, she became debt free. वो पूरी तरह से डेट फ्री हो गई. एंड शॉर्टली आफ्टर दैट आई हैड ऑल द मनी आई नीडेड टू डू वट एवर आई वॉन्टेड. सो शी स्टार्टेड गेटिंग वट एवर शी वॉन्टेड, बिकॉज यू डोंट गेट वट यू वॉन्ट. वट यू गेट? who you are. Who you are. Problems in my relationships, work and health disappeared. जितनी भी प्रॉब्लम थे, or everything disappeared. And instead of facing daily obstacles, my days became filled with one good thing after another. My health, energy increased dramatically, and I felt better than I had in my 20s. My relationships became much more meaningful, and I enjoyed more good times with my family and friends in just a few months than I had in all my previous years. Whatever she couldn't have in her 50s, 60s, she started getting after that, when she realized that how important is the gratitude. When she started being grateful day after another, day after another, day after another, the more she was being grateful, the more she started getting the things. Her relationships became beautiful. Her money became beautiful. She started getting whatever she wanted in her life. Okay. So more than anything else, I felt happier than I thought it was impossible to feel. So she felt that feeling happy is impossible. Feeling happy is impossible. I was blissfully happy, blissfully. From the core of her heart, she was happy. The happiest I had ever been. Gratitude changed me, and my whole life magically changed. Are you guys getting? Are you guys getting? So, how important is the gratitude? Okay. Next, bring the magic into your life. So, are you guys ready to bring the magic into your life as well? The way she got the magic in her life, right?
Yes,
Okay, look
ma'am.
at this picture. Beautiful picture. So this is a picture of a kitchen. Okay, so you can see this utensil stand, some, like pans are there, different utensils are there. And this magic book is also there. And some kind of magic is also happening. Kind of sprinkle is there, right? So magic is happening. So similarly, you can also bring the magic into your life. In every area of your life, in your relationship, in your career, in your money, in your happiness, you can also start feeling blissfully happy, blissfully happy. Like Soumya. Soumya is so happy today. Smiling continuously. Very good. So no matter who you are, no matter where are you. So no matter what your current circumstances, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. नो मैटर हु यू आर. आप गरीब हो, अमीर हो, बड़े हो, छोटे हो, बूढ़े हो, जवान हो, आपके पास कुछ है या नहीं है, आप राजा हो, आप रंक हो, whosoever you are, whatever you have, whatever your current circumstances are, the magic of gratitude will change your entire life. That is the magic of gratitude. It will change your entire life. I have received letters from thousands of people in the worst imaginable situations who have changed their lives completely by practicing only gratitude. That you can never imagine how worse their life was. कैसी थी उनकी life? You can never imagine. कैसी थी? And they people change their life completely by only practicing gratitude. I have seen miracles take place in health where there seemed to be no hope. जहां health में कोई hope नहीं थी, जहां कोई hope नहीं थी health में, that also completely changed. Hopeless cases, hopeless cases. Have you ever seen hopeless cases? जहां कोई, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि miracle happened. You must have seen in some of the movies as well कि वो चमत्कार हो गया, एकदम से सब ठीक हो गया. I have seen marriages saved and broken relationships transform into magnificent relationships. I have seen those in total poverty become prosperous. And I have seen people in depression catapult into joyful and fulfilling lives. जिनकी लाइफ पूरी तरह से पूरी तहस नहस थी. Those people who were in complete depression, now they people are living a joyful, fulfilling lives, prosperous life. Okay, so tell me one thing. What do you think that Can a very poor person or a beggar, can that person be rich or prosperous? After
Yes.
listening from last 2 to 3 days, so what do you think? Can a beggar, जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है, एक रिक्शा तक भी नहीं है, एक साइकिल तक भी नहीं है, बेगर है, वो भीख मांग के अपना वो कर रहा है, so do you think that that person can be rich?
No,
Yes.
no.
Yes or no? Okay, type in the chat. Yes or no? Y or N?
Actually, logical mind is saying something else.
Yes, it's logical. Yes.
Illogical. But yes, we have to
Can he
believe
be
in the
rich?
magic.
Can he be rich? Or any person? No. No, गरीब अमीर नहीं बन सकता. Okay. Okay. Yes, he can be. Yes, he can be. The answer is yes, he can be. But क्या वो बनेगा? क्या वो बनेगा? वो
नहीं
नहीं
मैम।
बनेगा. वो बन सकता है, पर वो बनेगा नहीं. Why?
Because of
Because
mindset.
he
Mindset.
will not believe. If you will say to that person, if you will say to that beggar that if you start being grateful now onwards, you can be rich, he will never believe. वो विश्वास ही नहीं करेगा. वो बन सकता है. अगर ये
Belief
नॉलेज, ये जो
system.
नॉलेज है, अगर वो किसी गरीब को मिल जाए ना, दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो कैन बी बिकम रिच. दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो बिकम अंबानी. दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो बिकम शाहरुख खान और अमिताभ बच्चन. दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो बिकम प्रॉस्परस. दैट पर्सन कैन ऑल्सो लिव वेरी fulfilled and satisfied life, prosperous life, joyful life, happy life. But he will not. He will not believe whatever you will say to him. Ki, and he will also use his logical mind, na? The way Kulvinder is saying, no. Logical mind. लॉजिकल माइंड, यार ग्रेटिट्यूड करने से कैसे हो सकता है? यार मैंने बदली ना अपनी लाइफ, एंड आई हैव सीन मेनी पीपल. यू नो, आई एम नॉट द ओनली वन हु इज टीचिंग यू मैजिक बुक. देयर आर मेनी पीपल, and there is a coach with me, my colleague. So she has made in 1 year 30 lakh rupees by practicing only gratitude. And she was selling the flowers outside the temple. 2 years back, I'm talking about 2 years back. Her life was a big hell. उसका डिवोर्स होने वाला था हस्बैंड के साथ, डिवोर्स होने वाला था, और बाहर फूल बेच रही है. दिस ओनली प्रैक्टिस. 1 साल में उसने कहा, बिल्कुल जीरो से कहा, 2 साल पहले वो मंदिर के बाहर फूल बेच रही थी. शी वॉज सेलिंग द फ्लावर्स by practicing only, because she believed that yes, it works. Yes, it works. And she started only practicing gratitude. इतने मोटे मोटे रजिस्टर भर दिए. Whenever she used to be free, so she started writing. She used to write a lot. She used to write gratitude for each and every minuscule thing. The way I am letting you right now. कि किसने पेड़ उगाए, किसने सड़कें बनाई, इंजीनियर को, डॉक्टर को, स्वीपर को, जो सड़कों पे झाड़ू लगाते हैं उनको. यार कितनी साफ सुथरी सड़कें मिलती हैं. whenever I wake up. Okay, so I also started, after listening to her, I also started practicing from like very zero. From very zero, I started being grateful for each and every person. So now, whenever I wake up, I open my window and I always say, "Wow, kya jannat hai." And whenever I see the sweeper sweeping the road, I always say, I physical दी तो I cannot go to him and I cannot say on daily basis कि मैं अभी I'm living on second floor and daily I'll be going to him. No, magic dust on you. God bless you. You people are doing amazing job. I acknowledge. I appreciate. So these small habits will change your life. See how many people are there and how many people enrolled. 8 people enrolled. 5 people are there. Logical people.
Ma'am, one thing I want to ask, that nowadays we are so mechanical that
Hmm.
to feel such kind of gratitude, we actually have to give the efforts.
Initially,
Deliberately we can do.
you just need to channelize your energy. Anyhow, you are thinking negative. That is on autopilot mode.
Hmm.
Because
Not
we are
negative, ma'am.
habituated of thinking and doing all those things. You just need
Not
to
negative.
channelize from that
Uh,
to this.
Not negative, but whatever we have in our life, we always feel, okay, I deserve. Read this magic book again, whatever we have read in yesterday's session, we have read. So I again read this and I got that, we feel that we deserve this life. So
Hmm.
that's the reason everything we demand because we feel we deserve this. हम ये नहीं सोचते हैं कि we should be, हमें एहसानमंद होना चाहिए गॉड का.
But you are not the only one, na Kulvinder. That beggar also deserves the same life, the life we are living. So he is also chosen one, na. He is also the
Hmm.
universe favorite child, na.
Hmm.
But why he is not getting? कुछ तो आपका कर्मास का भी रहता है, कुछ आपका कर्मास का भी रहता है, कुछ आपका माइंडसेट का भी रहता है. And there are many people, those who believe they changed their life when they took the responsibility of their life, their actions, their emotions, their feeling. Because feeling, who is feeling? Who is feeling? I am feeling ना, मेरा हार्ट है ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है दो दिल एक जान, मेरा दिल और तुम देख लो अपना अपना दिल. टच योर दिल, है ना. दिल टच करो अपना, है ना, कि दे दिया. दिल दे दिया सनम. है ना, धड़क रहा है ना, थोड़ा प्रेस करके देखो, धक 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 वो हो रहा है ना, धक धक.
मैम
Who is
30 days
feeling?
बाद क्या
That is in
करेंगे
your
फिर?
control, na. What do you want to feel? What are you feeling? You can feel negative as well, you can feel positive. That is your choice. क्या श्रेष्ठा?
मैम 30 days बाद क्या करेंगे फिर?
यही करोगे जो अभी कर रहे हो.
Be
यही
habitual.
करोगे. You have to keep continuing this thing. You have to make it a habit of this. अभी मैंने सीड डाला है, वो वाटर तो आपको डालना है ना डेली बेसिस पे. I have sown the seed inside you, and you have to water it. You have to show the sunlight to that seed so that it can grow. इतनी चिंता की है ना हमने आज तक, 20 साल, 30 साल, 40 साल. इतना वरी किया हमने, जो सीड है ना वो वरी का हो गया, अभी वो इतना बड़ा पेड़ बन गया. इतनी चिंता कर करके. And this is not our fault because we are also the victims of victims, and they were also the victims of victims,
True.
because this is our childhood conditioning. So now we hurt people, hurt people. If they had known better, they would have done better. अगर उनको ये सब पता होता. बट अभी भी आप उन लोगों को बोलोगे, they won't believe. They won't believe.
Yes, definitely. They won't believe.
If I say to my mom कि मम्मा ऐसा ऐसा ग्रेटिट्यूड करने से और ये सब चीजें ऐसा वैसा करने से लाइक वी कैन चेंज आवर लाइफ, द वे शी यूज टू लिव, शी वोंट बिलीव. बिकॉज यार हमारा तो 40 साल का कंडीशनिंग है, उनका 70 साल का कंडीशनिंग है. हमें 40 साल वाले को ज्यादा टाइम लगेगा या 70 साल वाले को ज्यादा उसको प्रॉब्लम वो होगा उसको करने, चेंज करने में. हमारे ऊपर 40 इयर्स की लेयर्स है, किसी पे 20 इयर्स की लेयर्स है, किसी पे 30 इयर्स की लेयर्स है, उन पे 70 इयर्स की लेयर्स है. वी ऑल आर लाइक अनियन. कितनी लेयर्स हैं, कितनी लेयर्स. 70 इयर्स में कितनी लेयर्स हो गई, कितनी लेयर्स चढ़ गई.
And moreover, ma'am, they haven't experienced such kind of magic in their life.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So that's why they won't believe. And
ma'am,
their mind is also logical mind, no?
yes.
And if you will say that kind of thing, ना मैं इतनी मेहनत करूंगी ना तब मुझे इतना सा पैसा मिलेगा. And they will say yes, 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 because we also did so many things and we got this much. Then they will believe. Because whatever they have seen working in their life, they worked that much and they got this much. Okay, so can we go ahead?
Ma'am, can I share one
Yes, yes,
small thing,
please,
ma'am?
Fani.
Today, actually, I got a call from my brother. My mom was very sick. He immediately hospitalized. So, very dangerous condition. So, actually, I immediately manifest कर रही हूँ. So please God save me. Thank you God. You were call my brother or something. My mom was very safe. This like manifest afternoon may manifest. I'm doing manifestation. So after 1 hour evening, another call. My dad was called me. Doctor said, okay, she was in very dangerous, ma'am. Literally, she is already sick and a heart patient. So doctor said maybe any bypass or stand go with the. So some tests are doing her. So no, not necessary any test. She is good. So any blockages is not there, but she is very weak. Her pulse rate was 30. Actually, before also her pulse rate was 40 something. So 30. So one pacemaker was fixed her. Present, she is in hospital. So doctor said, okay, 20 after 24 hours, we have to decide pacemaker, continue the pacemaker or fix it a permanent pacemaker. Otherwise, she is good. My brother in the session before, my brother called me, hey. I'm not believing because I saw my mother show. I was very doubtful to take him to the ambulance. Called to the ambulance, and so present also she is in hospital. My husband was taught like that. How funny are you? In before that, suppose anybody have fever, I was very shivered and talking. I mean, you are eating this kind of things, you are doing such a work, totally. But
Alignment.
I'm very strong and go. And now I am attending the session. I'm giving everything, and I will do my homeworks and your session and charisma. I mean, ma'am's session also. Actually, I said, I forgot everything, ma'am. But no, ma'am. So many things I habituated, but little things I didn't do practice some ways. Otherwise, you
Yes.
were giving me a very such a good opportunity. In before that, I followed that. Those are saved my life and my attitude. Whatever. Thank you, ma'am.
Wow, good to know, good to know. So that's why I'm saying alignment first. If you
Yes.
want to help people, so alignment first, action later. Because
Yes.
if you are misaligned, you won't be able to help.
Oh,
If your
yes.
husband is misaligned, your dog, your kids are misaligned, and you also come and you are also misaligned, so what will
Yes,
happen?
yes, yes,
What
ma'am.
will happen?
In before that, every time that was happened. That's why my total family knows that no, don't tell to her. She was very shivered and that kind of person. But now I am stable. My husband also, okay, wow, okay, great. He is also, no, you think like that. Call
Yeah. So they will
relatives.
also not understand what you are
Yes,
doing. So they
yes,
will
yes.
say, keep doing whatever you are doing. My husband also says, पूनम करो करो जो करती है ना
Yes, ma'am.
वो
My
रिजल्ट
husband.
दिख रहा है वो कुछ कुछ हो रहा है वो करो करो. Earlier तो
Yes,
he
ma'am.
didn't used to believe कि भी पता नहीं करती क्या है सारा सारा दिन
He
पता नहीं
is
क्या
also
लिखती
started,
रहती है
ma'am.
क्या पढ़ती रहती है. So
Yes,
now
ma'am.
he
He
says,
is
yeah,
also.
keep doing. Result दिख रहा है result दिख रहा है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. My husband also changed. That's why he is okay. I was shocked. Okay, doing after that, he shocked and see my face. He also go to the puja room and say thank you, God.
Yeah,
So
very nice, very
yeah,
nice. So
thank
see,
you.
everybody doesn't have to change. Just one person in the house has to take the decision that yes, I will be changing, and you will be able to change that whole trajectory of your life.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, guys. So now I'll be moving faster, and I'll not let you go today till 10:30. Yes, because we have to complete this. And after today, there are small lessons, 5 pages. Right? Okay, so where we were. Yes. So gratitude can magically turn your relationships into joyful and meaningful relationship, no matter what state they are in now. Gratitude can miraculously make you more prosperous so that you have the money you need to do the things what you want to do. If It will increase your health and bring a level of happiness beyond what you have ever felt before. Gratitude will work its magic to accelerate your career, increases success, and bring about your dream job or whatever it is you want to do. See, those who want to attract your dream job, those who want to increase success, want to accelerate in your career. So that is a very good thing to do. In fact, whatever it is that you want to be, do, or have. So again, three verbs: do, be, or have. If you want to be something in your life, if you want to do something in your life, if you want to have something in your life. So gratitude is the way to receive it. The magical power of gratitude turns your life into gold. Right? So as you practice gratitude, you will understand why particular things in your life may have gone wrong and why certain things might be missing from your life, why you don't have certain things in your life. So you will understand everything. As you make gratitude a way of your life, you will wake up each morning so excited to be alive. You would be so happy. Wow, thank you, God, I'm alive. Thank you, God, I'm awake. Thank you, God, I'm breathing. You will find yourself completely in love with life. Everything will seem effortless. You will feel as light as a feather and happier than you have ever felt before. While challenges may come, you will know how to overcome them and learn from them. Every day will be magical. Every day will be filled with far more magic than when you were a child. It will be more magical. You would have never been imagined. What is possible? What is possible? So, is your life magical? Are you guys getting now? Are you guys getting? So, otherwise, one more time, those who have physical books, so you can read by your own. Later on, one more time, I want you to read everyone, like daily, whatever we are reading. So, sometimes we have to go faster, and sometimes we have to stop as well to make you understand. And I have to sometimes give you some examples as well, right? So, is your life magical? You can tell right now how much you have actually used gratitude in your life. So, is your life magical or not? So, for that, you can check by your own. Abhi ke abhi, what is going on in your head? What is going on in your mind? Abhi kya chal raha hai aapki life mein? Right now, right now. That is the proof. That is the proof. See, there are how many people, including me, 6. Okay. So, what is happening right now? Are you sometimes, does it happen? We are zoned out. The way we used to do in our school days, in our childhood days. Teacher geography पढ़ा रही है, history पढ़ा रही है, and we are like, क्या कर रही है? दिखाइए notebook, kind of. So, what is happening right now? What is your situation, condition right now? What are you thinking right now? अभी देख लो क्या नेगेटिव चल रहा है, पॉजिटिव चल रहा है, जोन आउट हो या क्या. That is who you are. वो हो आप अपनी लाइफ में. Because you don't get what you want, you get who you are. अभी देख लो आप कौन हो. Okay, so you can tell right now. So that is the example. Just take a look at all of your major areas in your life. So that we did on the very first day. Do you remember Wheel of Life? So she's also talking about the major areas of your life. We talked about 8 segment: health, wealth, relation, happiness, career, home, money. The areas of your life that are abundant, जिसमें आपको 10 on 10, 8 और 9 marks मिले थे, which are abundant and wonderful, are where you have used gratitude. Those are the areas in which you have used more gratitude. You have been more grateful in those areas in which you have got 8, 9 or 10. Do you remember day 1 जिसमें आपको 7, 8, 9, 10 मिले? You are more grateful in those areas. Knowingly, unknowingly, you have been grateful in those areas. The areas of your life that are abundant and wonderful are where you have used gratitude and are experiencing the magic as a result. Any area that are not abundant and wonderful are due to lack of gratitude, which are not abundant, which are not wonderful. So that means that is due to lack of gratitude. जिसमें आपको 1, 2, 3 मिले थे, closer to 0, 1, 2, 3. That means in those areas you need to be grateful more. It is a simple fact. When you are not grateful, you cannot receive more in return. You have stopped the magic from continuing in your life. When you are not grateful, you stop the flow of better health, better relationship, more joy, more money, the advancement of your job, career, and business. Okay. And not only career, those who
Ma'am,
want to excel in studies. Yes, Somya.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask a question
Yeah,
that
please tell me.
if I wanted to improve a
One second, Soumya,
relationship
one
to
second.
improve that
I
relationship,
didn't get that. I didn't get that because
can
my internet got, you know, yes.
yeah, ma'am, I was
Please repeat,
saying
Soumya.
that if I want to improve my relationship with someone, you are
Hmm.
saying that I have to be grateful.
Yes.
Okay, and what if that other person is always negative, that no, it's not gonna work, nothing happens, gratitude is not of no use and all. So
Hmm.
can this change the other person also? Or it's
Soumya, do
the
like this. Soumya, do like this. Okay?
okay,
So one finger is, so you are pointing the finger towards him or her. Okay? And
hmm,
where are the three fingers? Where are the three
towards
fingers?
myself,
Towards me. Okay, towards me. So work is on
me,
whom? Work is on whom?
me,
On him, on her, or on me.
me.
The work is on me. You do your part. Okay, so if you want
Okay,
to improve the relationship with somebody, so what you will have to do? What you will have to do? So you will have to start writing the gratitude for that particular person. If you
okay.
want to improve the relationship, and you don't have to go to that person, and you will see the
Mm-hmm.
magic happening in your life. So, how did I improve my relationship with my mother in law? How did I improve? Did I go to her?
By
No,
working.
I didn't go to her. I just started writing gratitude. So, does she have one single good thing? So, start writing from there. इतना कम है क्या कि मेरे हस्बैंड को बहुत प्यार करती है? So, is it enough for me? Is it enough for me? That is a positive, that is very good thing for me, right? So, I started writing. आई स्टार्टेड राइटिंग. एक चीज लिखी आपको दो दिखाई देंगी, आपने दूसरी लिखी आपको तीसरी भी दिखाई देगी, आपने तीसरी लिखी आपको फोर्थ भी दिखाई देगी, फिफ्थ भी दिखाई देगी. एंड यू विल सी दैट शी विल चेंज. शी विल चेंज. She doesn't have to do anything. You don't have to fix anybody. You don't have to take out your toolkit every time and fix anybody. No. No. अब जितने भी टूल किट है ना, जितनी भी टूल किट्स है ना, सारे मुझे दे दो. Give it to me. All the tool kits. Those people who are fixing others. Because the work is on me. The work is on me. Give all your tool kits to me. Next time, whenever you try to fix anybody, so what you have to do? टूल किट तो मैंने पूनम मैम को दे दी. टूल किट तो मैंने पूनम मैम को दे दी. I don't have any tool kit. So we don't have to fix anybody. If you want to improve your relationship, start finding the positive things in his or her behavior and whatever it is. And definitely you will find that, Soumya. But yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
if you
Thank
want to
you.
break the relationship, there is another solution for that. There is another solution for that. जब आपको उसके साथ रखनी नहीं, जब आपको ब्रेकअप ही करना है, जब आपको रिलेशन बनाना है, then you will have to start finding positive things. क्योंकि मुझे तो रिश्ता बनाना था, तो I started writing positive. अभी तो ऐसे करता है, अभी तो जैसे मुझे करता है कि दो बच्चे नहीं है, मेरे तीन बच्चे हैं. एक वो रेड लिपस्टिक लगा के ना मम्मी जी की चुम्मी ले लो ऐसे, मतलब दैट काइंड ऑफ रिलेशन आई हैव विद माय मदर इन लॉ नाउ. अभी हम घूम कर भी आए पीछे. मतलब वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट. ऐसे लगता है अभी तो दो किड्स नहीं है, वो तीन है मेरे लिए. अब जब वो आती है तब भी हम लोग बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं, हम लोग जब जाते हैं तब भी. अर्लियर तो आई वाज लाइक यार, मन ही नहीं करता था बिल्कुल जाने का. आई टोल्ड फनी तो नोज. That kind of relationship I had with my mother-in-law. But अभी तो मतलब last 2 years से it's like magical, beautiful. अभी तो एवरीथिंग, यार आप कितने अमेजिंग हो हस्बैंड के साथ भी. मतलब पहले तो इतना गुस्सा आता था, इतना गुस्सा आता था, एवरी टाइम इरिटेशन, फ्रस्ट्रेशन.
मैम
Don't use
तो
these big words or negative vocabulary. Depression, frustration, irritation, kind of.
मैम इन योर मदर इन लॉ सीन you were the first now who are taking efforts to do something, to talk or to initiate the process, है ना मैम?
Yes, yes. But it's not like we were fighting, but there was a kind of cold war.
हाँ.
Cold war होते ना, it was from last 20 years. 20 years. It's not like we were fighting with each other. No, we never fought with each other. No. कभी हमारी तू तो मैं कभी बहस कभी नहीं हुई. कभी नहीं. Never.
मैम जैसे कुछ लोग होते हैं ना, बहुत चुप रहते हैं, बस मुंह
हम्म.
बनाते हैं, और जब भी बोलते हैं तो हंस के नहीं बोलते,
हम्म.
अजीब ढंग से बोलते हैं, हाँ ये ऐसे कर लो। मैं ये नहीं कहती कि उनके मन में कोई ऐसे तुच्छ विचार होंगे हमारे लिए, घृणा टाइप की कोई चीज होगी, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होता। बट
हम्म.
एक तो कम बोलते हैं, जब बोलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है जैसे आग बरस रही हो या बहुत गंदा फील हो रहा हो,
हम्म.
ऐसे ही लगता था मैम।
Again, dear, energy, because my energy was like that only, ना.
मतलब आपकी भी ऐसी थी जैसी
मेरी
मैं
भी तो
बता रही
एनर्जी
हूँ।
वैसी ही थी ना. इट्स नॉट फ्रॉम वन साइड, इट्स फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड्स. बोथ द साइड्स. ऐसा थोड़ी हो सकता है कि एक ही तरफ से होगा. ताली तो वही ना, दोनों हाथों से बजती है ना. एनर्जी. एनर्जी स्पीक्स लाउडर देन वर्ड्स. आई डेंट वॉन्ट टू गो देयर. और जब मेरे रास्ते में होती थी तो मेरी एनर्जी ऐसी होती थी कि व्हेन आई विल रीच देयर आई विल नॉट बी हैप्पी, क्योंकि मेरी एनर्जी ऐसी थी ऑन द वे व्हेन आई वाज रीचिंग देयर. व्हेन आई वाज ऑन द वे, सो व्हाट वाज गोइंग ऑन इन माय हेड, what I was thinking about her. When I will reach there, she will do like that. I will also do like that. If there will be cold war, she will be in her room, I will be in my room. So it will be like that. So it was already there, not in my mind. But that is also, from where it comes. From where it comes. That also comes from conditioning. कंडीशनिंग, पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस, मदर के एक्सपीरियंसेस, आपके फ्रेंड्स के एक्सपीरियंसेस, किसी और रिलेशनशिप के आपके किसी के एक्सपीरियंसेस, जो आप सुनते हो सास बहू के सीरियल्स कि ऐसा ही होता है, इनका रिश्ता तो होता ही ऐसा है. सो दैट इज
मैम
कंडीशनिंग ना.
इनिशिएशन कैसे लिया फिर आपने, कैसे स्टार्ट करा ये सब चीजें कि ठीक हो गया सब?
सो ग्रैटिट्यूड, स्टार्टेड राइटिंग positive things. I'm so grateful for my mother-in-law, that she loves my husband a lot. I'm so grateful. I'm truly grateful for my mother-in-law because she loves my kids a lot. Well, small things I started writing. Deliberately, वो अंदर से नहीं आएगा. जब वो फीलिंग नहीं होती तो शुरू में नहीं आता है. But if you start doing deliberately, it comes. It start coming naturally. Then it becomes autopilot. अभी तो लाइक वी एंजॉय टुगेदर अ लॉट. अभी तो जब बाहर घूमने का मतलब बहुत एंजॉय किया, फोटो खिंचवाना सब, मतलब वो करना बहुत एंजॉय किया हम लोगों ने.
हम्म,
Okay, can we start? 10 more minutes. Because tomorrow, anyhow, I'll be starting chapter 1. Okay, so whatever is left, so you will have to complete.
you can take 30 more minutes.
No, dear, so my family is also waiting. Okay. Okay, so otherwise तो आप मुझे बिठा लो, मुझे आप 12 बजे तक बिठा लो, 1 बजे तक भी मैं बोल सकती हूँ. Okay, so what is the bottom line? The bottom line of, yeah, better relationship, this and that. Yeah, so this is done. So the bottom line of ungratefulness is that when we are not grateful, we are taking things in our life for granted. वो आ गया ना, for granted. If we are not being grateful, so that means we are taking everything for granted. So like, have you guys seen around yourself, everything we are taking for granted? हाँ, है ना, बैठे हैं ना, घर पे बैठे हैं ना, बच्चे घर पे बैठे हैं ना, घर है ना, सिर पे छत है ना, कपड़े है ना, everything. Have you thought of those people, those who don't have clothes to wear, those who don't have the roof to live in, those who don't have good food to eat? And we people are to choosing. We people have to choose that almiras, drawers, everything is full of cupboards, full of things. Our refrigerator is full of food. Like we have to choose. हमने पिज्जा खाना है या बर्गर खाना है या पनीर कोफ्ता खाना है, मलाई कोफ्ता खाना है, क्या खाना है? We have to choose. And beggars are not choosers. जो beggars, उनके पास तो यार चॉइस ही नहीं है. उनको तो जो मिलेगा खाना है, तो मिलेगा तो खाना है, नहीं मिलेगा तो नहीं खाना है. We people are so blessed. अरे मुझे अपनी टी शर्ट पे लिखा हुआ ब्लेस्ड दिखाई दे रहा है, ब्लेस्ड. We people are so abundant, we people are so blessed. But we are taking each and everything for granted. हस्बैंड है ना, अरे क्या हो गया, सबके हस्बैंड होते हैं. पेरेंट्स है ना, सबके पेरेंट्स होते हैं। पेरेंट्स को यार आप फॉर ग्रांटेड ले रहे हो यार। उनको देखो जिनके जिनके पेरेंट्स नहीं होते हैं, अनाथ बच्चे बेचारे ऑर्फेनेज में, ओल्ड एज में लोग पड़े हुए हैं, जिनके बच्चे मतलब छोड़ के चले जाते हैं। हैव यू थॉट अबाउट दैट? वी पीपल आर सो ब्लेस्ड, बट वी आर टेकिंग एवरीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड। एंड यू नो द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव थिंग्स आर फ्री इन आवर लाइफ। हैव यू थॉट अबाउट दैट? जो एयर है, और एयर कितनी एक्सपेंसिव होनी चाहिए एयर। कैन यू इमेजिन कि अगर हमें जैसे सिलेंडर खरीदना पड़ता, शॉप पे जाके, भैया भैया 100 रुपए का देना, मेरी मेरी वो मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही, मुझे सांस नहीं आ रही भैया, 100 रुपए का सिलेंडर देना, मेरी मेरी हवा खत्म होगी, मेरी ऑक्सीजन खत्म होगी। डू यू रिमेम्बर दोज डेज इन कोरोना टाइम when we had to buy the cylinder for 50,000, 70,000, even 1 lakh rupees? Those people were dying, those people were in the hospitals, dying without oxygen. They had to pay a lot of money for the oxygen. And oxygen, when we were born, till the last breath of our life, we are going to use the oxygen. But we people are taking it for granted. Have you thought about the एक सांस नहीं आए ना अभी, कितने we would be so restless. एक हमें कोल्ड हो जाता है ना, कोल्ड, वो भी हम सांस लेने के लिए कितने अनकंफर्टेबल हो जाते हैं, बट वी पीपल आर टेकिंग इट फॉर ग्रांटेड। और भगवान ने जब से जन्म लिया तब मरने तक के हमारे लिए मतलब अरेंजमेंट किया है। वाटर का फ्री, रिवर सी सब भरे पड़े हैं। राइट, सो डोंट टेक द थिंग्स फॉर ग्रांटेड। अगर एक एक चीज की वैल्यू मतलब देखने लगे ना यार, एक हर चीज की, एक टीवी है, ये लैंप है मेरे सामने, लैपटॉप है, माउस है, वाटर है, बुक है, एवरीथिंग लाइक है तो है, यार लाइक है तो है। यार टेबल का भी कुछ प्राइस आया होगा। टेबल को बनाने में कितने लोग लगे होंगे। वुड आया होगा, वो उसने जो वुड कटर ने उसने काटा होगा जाके, फॉरेस्ट में जाके लकड़ी को काटा होगा, किसी ने उसको कट किया होगा, किसी ने उसको पेंट किया होगा, किसी ने उसमें लेग्स लगाई होंगी, किसी ने उसमें व्हील्स लगाए होंगे, वो व्हील्स कहाँ से, कौन सी कंपनी से बना होगा, किसी ने उस पर स्टैंपिंग की होंगी। हाउ मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व इन मेकिंग ओनली दिस टेबल एंड चेयर, बट एवरीथिंग वी आर टेकिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड। अगर वो सोचने लगोगे ना तो 10, 20, 15 क्या पूरी लाइफ निकल जाएगी। So stop taking things for granted. When we take things for granted, we are unintentionally taking from ourselves. Because that is the riddle, no? If we are not grateful, whatever we have, that also will be taken away. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if we take something for granted, we will be taken from as a result. Remember, whosoever does not have gratitude, even whatever he or she has, that also will be taken away from him or her. So that was the riddle. What is the answer of that riddle? That is gratitude. Gratitude. Whatever, if we are not grateful, so whatever we have, that also will be taken away. So most certainly, you have been grateful at various times in your life, but to see the magic and cause a radical change to your current circumstances, you have to practice gratitude and make it your new way of life. So you have to make it the new way of your life. What is going to be the new way of your life? That is gratitude. And what is the magic formula? And this is the magic formula, and that you have to write in bold and you have to paste it somewhere. Okay, and this is the formula. Knowledge is a treasure, but practice is the key to it. If you don't practice it, it is of no use. There are some people, they create magic in 3-4 days, like the way funny is telling कि ऐसा ऐसा हुआ तो I did something that practice, and like there was nothing wrong with the mother. Okay, so she's telling na. So there are some people who are practicing a lot. They will be able to see the change, the magic within 3 to 4 days. And there are people, if you don't practice, if you are taking all the things cognitively मतलब ऊपर ऊपर से आप ले रहे हो, and again अपने logical mind से you are thinking, so you will see no result, because practice is the key. Otherwise, knowledge. So let's say there is this door in front of you. Okay, so everything, all the knowledge is dumped over there, and that is the treasure. And that is, so let's say this is the door in front of me, right? बट वेयर इज द की? व्हाट इज द की? की इज प्रैक्टिस. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस ही नहीं करोगे, की इज द प्रैक्टिस ओनली. इफ यू डोंट प्रैक्टिस, नॉलेज इज ऑफ नो यूज. अगर मैंने आपको नॉलेज अब बता दिया, उसी पहले दिन ही आपका पैसा वसूल हो गया जो आपने मुझे पे किया, कि वो आपको आंसर मिल गया कि ग्रेटिट्यूड इज द की. ग्रेटिट्यूड इज द की टू सक्सेस. Gratitude is the key to abundance. Gratitude is the key to happiness. But if you don't practice, whatever treasure you have, if you don't open the door, it will be locked only. If you don't open, where is the key? So zip out your pocket and take out the key and open it. And start using it, start practicing it. Otherwise, it is of no use. उसके बाद भी आप बोलोगे मैम मैजिक तो हुआ ही नहीं, मैजिक तो हुआ ही नहीं. डिड यू प्रैक्टिस? डिड यू प्रैक्टिस? आई शो यू माई रजिस्टर. इतना मोटा रजिस्टर पूरा फुल हो रखा है, पूरा फुल. वेनेवर आई एम फ्री, व्हाट डू आई डू? मुझे नहीं करनी भैया इतनी मेहनत, मुझे नहीं, मुझे तो एंजॉय करना है. अच्छा अच्छा आना है, अच्छा अच्छा पढ़ाना है, अच्छी अच्छी बातें करनी है. बस वो ऐसा कुछ सुनना है, कुछ सुनाना है, एंजॉय करना है, मस्ती करनी है. बस इतना करना है मुझे, और खूब सारा पैसा बनाना. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ हार्ड वर्क. मुझे नहीं बहुत ज्यादा हार्ड वर्क करना है. So whenever you are free, so start writing. Sit with pen and paper and start writing gratitude. You can write gratitude, any random gratitude also you can do, or you can choose any particular area. Like one day you can choose health, next day you can choose relationship, third day you can use career. You can choose career. जैसे अपने बॉस की तारीफ कर दिया आपको बॉस, you will see like you don't have to go to boss. You don't have to go to your colleagues, किसके जिसके साथ भी you want to improve your relationship. हेल्थ में इंप्रूवमेंट चाहिए, हेल्थ की ग्रेटिट्यूड करो. आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल फॉर माई आईज, आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल. और उसके बाद आपको रीजन भी देना, व्हाई आर यू ग्रेटफुल फॉर योर आईज. Okay, so the book will teach you how you have to write the gratitude. Okay, yes. So ancient myths and legends say that to bring forth magic, a person must first say the magic words. Bringing forth magic from gratitude works in the same way. And the first you must say the magic words, thank you. I cannot begin to tell you how important the words thank you are for your life. To live in gratitude, to experience the magic in your life, thank you must become the two words you deliberately say and feel more than any other words. So feel it, feel it, feel it. जहां पे भी आपकी बुक है ना, आपके पास फिजिकल बुक, व्हेन यू विल परचेज योर फिजिकल बुक, ये जो फील वर्ड है ना, उसको अंडरलाइन कर लेना, उसको सर्कल कर लेना, उसको बड़ा बड़ा लिख के बॉल पे ऐसे पेस्ट कर लेना, वॉश बेसिन पे उसको ऐसे पेस्ट कर लेना, जहां पे अपना डेली अपने आप को देखते हो. फील इट, फील इट, फील इट. बिकॉज थिंकिंग लेवल पे नहीं होगा, यू विल हैव टू फील इट. जब वो फीलिंग के लेवल पे आएगा, देन यू विल स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग मैजिक. मोर देन एनी अदर वर्ड्स, दे नीड टू बिकम योर आइडेंटिटी. वो आपकी आइडेंटिटी बन जाने चाहिए. अरे ये कैसा साइन है, हट ही नहीं रहा है. Yes. Thank you is the bridge from where you are now to the life of your dreams. So the magic formula, deliberately think and say the magic words thank you. That is the formula. The more you deliberately think and say the magic words thank you, the more gratitude you feel. The more gratitude you deliberately think and feel, the more abundance you receive. So believe and receive, the believe and receive. So those who have seen the Secret movie. So what is the formula? Ask, believe, receive. Ask, believe, receive. Ask means whatever is your intention, what is your desire, in which area of your life you want to create the magic. That is ask. Then believe, ki believe. Yes, in quantum world it is happening. And then only you will receive it. But first you have to believe it. That is the formula. Gratitude is a feeling. So the ultimate aim in practicing gratitude is to deliberately feel it as much as you can, because it's the force of your feeling that accelerates the magic in your life. Newton's law is 1 for 1. What you give, you receive equally. That means that if you increase your feeling of gratitude, the results in your life will expand to be equal to your feeling. The result will expand in your life. The truer the feeling, फेक नहीं करना, बट इनिशियली फेक इट टिल यू मेक इट. Because if you will start writing, then only the feeling will come. Feeling, otherwise feeling कैसे आएगा? Feeling तो वो लिखने से ही आएगा. The more you will write, the more you will start feeling. The more you sincerely grateful you are, the faster your life will change. When you discover how, okay, ये कैसे जाएगा स्क्रीन से? I don't know.
मैम साइड पे क्लिक करने से चला जाएगा क्या?
No, no, नहीं जा रहा है. अप डाउन से भी नहीं हो रहा है.
मैम पेंसिल पे फिर से क्लिक करिए।
यहाँ, yeah, happened. Thank you. Okay, so when you discover how little practice it takes, how easy it is to incorporate gratitude into your daily life, and when you see the magical results for yourself, you will never want to return to the life you used to live. See, this is very important. If you want, when you see the magical results for yourself, when you will start seeing the result, you will never want to go to, you will never want to return to your previous life. You would never want to go to your previous life. If you start seeing the magical results, आपको लगेगा ना यार ये तो इतना easy है. If I would have done it earlier, I would have seen it earlier. अगर पहले करती तो मुझे पहले ही magic मिल गया होता. There was no need to do a lot of hard work. And what I'm doing, I'm just doing and doing and doing. You don't have to do, you have to be. Be grateful. Work on your be part. Make your identity. If you practice gratitude a little, your life will change a little. If you practice gratitude a lot every day, your life will change dramatically and in ways that you can hardly imagine. Right? Okay, guys, so we will stop here. And this you have to read by your own, a magical book. Okay, so you can see there is this beautiful picture and there is this room. Although there are many books in the shelf. Can you see it's a kind of library, right? So there are many books. But on this book only the magic is happening, because this is what kind of book? This is the magical book. And what is this book? This is the magic book. Although there are many. So this is the magic book where the magic is happening. So this you have to read by your own. The PDF is already shared in the group, and those who have physical books, so they can read this chapter. Only one chapter you have to read. A magic book. Okay, so let me stop recording. Then I'll take the picture.